video because my conspiracy palette came this morning. I am dying, I'm freaking out, and I have to dive into this. I've been seeing so many tutorials already like on Instagram of people doing crazy fun, bold looks with this palette, but I'm an average bitch, you know? Like I love me some neutrals. Once he started adding more neutral shades, I was like, okay. We are doing a neutral, everyday, glam makeup look with this today because I wanted to prove to myself that I could make a neutral look with this palette. You could also be a basic bitch with it. So let's go. But I got 2 more of the conspiracy palettes for you guys. So I'm going to be adding those to my holiday giveaways coming up. I'm going to be doing 12 days of giveaways, probably on my Instagram. I haven't decided yet. Make sure you are following me on Instagram if you want to participate and potentially get a free conspiracy palette or just enter my other holiday giveaways because I got some good stuff coming. You guys, I haven't been this excited for a makeup launch since like MAC Cosmetics Disney collection, like the Sleeping Beauty collection. While I was in high school, I thought like that was it. Like that was the end all be all. I stand corrected. The adrenaline rush trying to get this palette was everything I never knew I needed. It really got me going. It really reminded me what it was like to live life on the edge. I've got hair everywhere. Okay, I like to start with my blending. This is my Sigma taper blending brush. For anyone who's new here, hi. I will link all of my brushes that I'm gonna be using in the description. I'm gonna start off, I wanna start off with my pills, but you know what? I'm gonna start off with Tanacon. Sorry, this is upside down. So I'm going to start off with Tanacon. I'm gonna bring you guys in. Let's come on in. Let's do this. Oh my God, I'm like nervous. Ah! Side note, I just got a laser facial, so my face is still healing. We are resurfacing. I've never tried any Jeffree Star Cosmetics products before. Like, I've always wanted to, and then I just kind of forget because they're all pretty much online. I usually buy my makeup, like that's the one thing that I normally buy in person unless there's a sale online and it's like a product I've already tried before. Dying to try his liquid lipsticks. They look so beautiful, and I think he has like a Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday thing coming up soon. So I definitely want to get my hands on if he has any like holiday sets. This is really pigmented. I like this. It's more on like the orangey side, but it's honestly not like too orangey. It's a good color. This is so fun. Next, diving into Diet Root Beer, obviously. I love these stamps. These are all so cool and fun. I love how they're all like different. Oh, I've never seen a brand do that before. I'm gonna add this to the outer corners and kind of bring it in a little bit. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Love that. These are really pigmented, by the way, so far. When I was swatching them, some of them seemed not as pigmented as the others with one swatch, but then as you kind of like built it up, it was awesome. But also I feel like I'm really horrible at swatching, so could have also been my bad. I didn't really go in that deep when I was doing it, but that's what she said. I'm also going to bring this one down into my lower lash line. Is this right? Isn't that called your lower? Gosh, it's been a while. It's been a hot minute. Okay, Glamourista has been dead for years, guys. Whenever I do eyeshadow, I'm 99% of the time putting it underneath because I just feel like it looks so, oh gosh, I'm getting pigment right here. I feel like you can't see it on camera, so I'm just gonna like keep going. If you can't see it, it's not happening. Oh my God, it's really bad in person. Love that for me. Gosh, there's so many pretty colors to put on the actual lid. Like, do I want it to stay matte and do my pills? Do I want to go for a ranch moment? I'm just really drawn to, what's this color? Just a Theory. This one is so pretty. Also, when I was swatching though, this bottom row is by far my favorite in terms of like pigment. Just all of them, especially this color, was my absolute favorite. I'm gonna stick with Just a Theory, I think, so we can actually be like cohesive, you know. My go-to always is doing a matte crease, little shimmer pop on the lid. Moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. Oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see that? I'm sorry, what? It's so funny how like these colors go together so well, like this palette, and I feel like when he was just like looking at all of those like Pantones and like paint color things, you know, it just seemed so random when he was first doing it, but it like pulls together so beautifully. It's crazy. The whole series honestly just kind of blew my mind because I've never known what really goes into it and what goes behind the scenes of making a product like this. Like, it's always been a dream to create something, but the whole behind the scenes from start to finish was so cool. It's really fun to see like how much Jeffree actually puts into his brand instead of just like being the face of something and someone else doing all the work. Like, he has such a creative brain when he was like pulling all of these colors together on the table where they would go in a palette. Like, I feel like I would be horrible at that. Like, I would have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it has such a really pretty, almost like a purpley undertone. Silver something is like cool tone pulling this through, but at the same time it looks really pretty with these warm tones. I'm just gonna take a little bit more root beer. I mean, diet root beer, my bad. I'm just kind of blending that in with the Just a Theory. I'm just like, I'm having too much fun and I want to add spiraling into this mix, but will that look good? I don't know. I'm really liking how this looks. Don't ruin it. I should not ruin it. I'm just gonna add the smallest little touch of spiraling. I know it's just shimmery, but I just wanna add like a touch. Okay, I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad about this decision. I think, I was scared this was gonna be a horrible, horrible mess, but I like that. Blend deeper, blend. I'm just gonna add a little bit of spiraling underneath lower lash line. Just kind of in the outer corner area. Pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of my pills and try to put that in underneath my brow bone. I'm hoping it's not too pink, but when I was swatching this color, it looked like the least pigmented, at least when I was swatching it, like just one swoop. And then as I kind of built it up, it got more like of a baby pink, but I think just like a little bit under the brow bone won't look crazy. We hope. Oh yeah, that's like perfect. That's cute. Just gonna bring that down a little bit so I can blend that. Okay, it went from more like daytime to like nighttime, but honestly, if you know me, when I get glam, like I usually just go for it. So I would definitely wear this during the day as well. Last shadow that I want to do, just because this is so fun. Ranch. Wow, I just literally used the entire top row. Okay, love that for us. But I'm gonna take Ranch and add that into, oh, she pigmented. Hello, Ranch. What is good? I'm just gonna add a dot of this right under my arch as well, just to kind of make her pop. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Line Stiletto, the classic. I think I've used this since 2010 when I started my channel, which is crazy. Just like, I honestly haven't found an easier eyeliner, like liquid liner to apply. I'm going for it, and she's drugstore, so not a bad price. I'm also just gonna take this really tiny little brush that came in a palette and use my rides here, or as we all know it to be my Ubers here, which I can relate to because I Uber everywhere. I'm so glad this palette came with a matte black, because matte black, that's the one thing I look for in every single palette. Obviously I love to like darken up my crease if I'm like going out, but I love it for this reason the most, and that is just to darken up and set my liquid lash, my liquid liner. Can you hear my dog squeaking his toy like a madman? I hope so. It's so wholesome. I really want to dye my hair again. I feel like it just looks so dull and mousy now. So comment down below what you think I should do, because I need some Rex. Then I'm gonna take my janky, very used Perversion eyeliner from Urban Decay. This is another one of my like holy grail products. It's just the best black liner. It's so pigmented, so rich, and it lasts so long on the lower lash line. It's amazing. Next, I'm going to put on my lashes off camera just because it takes forever when I'm trying to do it on camera. Like, it's just a mess. So I'm gonna go do that and then I will be right back. I'm back. Got my lashes on and I'm just going to take my tried and true CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara just to help blend everything. Cannot forget the lower lashes. Be crucial, be crucial. I actually haven't tried this yet, but I've been meaning to, so let's do it now. This is the Tower 28 blush. Love this. In the summer, I just became obsessed with cream products, especially face like blushes and highlighters, bronzers, so we're going for it. So, ooh, whoa, that's pigmented. I was not expecting that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm just going to tap that on the back of my hand to get less and then just start building that up from here because I'm definitely not someone who likes a lot of blush. I like just a very light hint of some color. It's so funny because I'm looking past the monitor and into my mirror over there and it looks way more like bright and pigmented, and then on camera it just everything washes out. So I'm like, ooh, let's just add more. Let's keep building it up. And then I see my reflection. I'm like, girl, stop. And then I'm going to go in with my highlighter that desperately going to need a new one very soon. Load that bitch up. I really need to try Jeffree Star's highlighters because I've seen all of his like launch videos and swatches and his highlighters. They look insane. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit on my nose. Bridge my nose. And also fabulous. I just spilled coffee all over my rug. Love that for myself. Well, you know what? Don't have time to fix that because we are filming, so let's just continue. All right, to finish this look off, I'm going to line my lips. Just a neutral. Definitely, desperately needs to be sharpened. Normally, I would apply a light lipstick, like a nude lipstick, maybe a gloss over top, but I feel like in the spirit of Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I need to do a liquid lip because he's just like queen of liquid lips. And like I said earlier, I don't have them and I wasn't able to get Shane's, him and Shane's like pig lip palette, hopefully on the restock. But I have a couple that I pulled from my makeup drawer that I feel like would be a good fit for this. This one's definitely more nude. These ones are a little bit more pink. I'm not sure. What should we go for? I'm kind of digging this. Is that a good one? Yes, bitch. Okay. I haven't worn a liquid lip, honestly, in forever. I kind of got over liquid lips because they're so drying. My lips are already so dry because my skin is dry. Still want Jeffree's though because I feel like they are iconic. Yeah, I definitely should have exfoliated my lips beforehand, but I'm not that classy. Oh, I'm so gross. Hey. Wow, I look so pale in this lighting. So dark. I'm over daylight savings. I'm over it getting dark at like 2 p.m. All right, this is my finished look using the Conspiracy palette. I wish I had the rest of the collection to do like a full face and full review of everything, but what can you do? Overall, I am just obsessed. I'm deceased with this palette. I love this look and it's so cool how like I've seen so many bold, colorful, crazy out there looks with this palette, yet you can also create something like this. Like that's kind of what blows my mind about it. It's so versatile. You can literally do anything that you want with this palette. The possibilities are endless and I am dying. What are our final thoughts? I am pretty impressed, I gotta say, with the pigmentation, with how everything went on. I'm obviously not a booty guru expert, but I've still tried my fair share of products in my day. Went on really smooth, blended really nicely. It also layered really nicely. I really like it. It's so fun. Ah! I wish my skin wasn't like flaking off post laser facial, but here we are. I actually like this lip color with that too. Ooh, she is fun. I love this look. I would definitely wear this like going out at night. I'm into it. I am into it. Definitely need to do a holiday look because these colors are screaming my name. Sleep paralysis could be like its own palette and I would buy it. That color is stunning. Based on this look alone, I gotta give this a 10 out of 10 easily. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also stay tuned for my holiday giveaways. I'm going to be giving away 2 of these palettes. I'm probably going to be giving them away on my Instagram, so go follow me over there at Caitlin Bea. I'm going to be doing holiday giveaways, probably 12 days of giveaways coming up here at the end of November, December. But other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!